Hey, welcome to Stock Informer, your go-to for cutting through the market noise. Today, March 24th, 2025, at 7:05 a.m. PDT, we've got a live one unfolding, and I'm breaking it down with the latest data you need to stay ahead. Trump's tariff talk just flipped the script, and markets are loving it. Let's dive in. Right now, stocks are on a tear. As of this morning, the S&P 500 is up over 1%, with SPY at 572,733. That's straight from real-time data, up from Friday's close at 563.98. The Dow's climbing 0.8%, over 300 points, and the Nasdaq's leading with a 1.5% surge. Why the juice? Reports hit late Sunday that Trump's April 2nd tariffs, those reciprocal levies on Canada, Mexico, and China, might be more targeted than the blanket threats we've heard. Futures popped pre-market. S&P 500 futures up 1.1%, Dow futures at 0.9%, and Nasdaq 100 futures at 1.4%. SPY's daily range today's already hit a high of 572.96 from an open of 570.8. Markets are betting on relief. Tesla's the star here. Shares are up nearly 4% pre-market, kicking off Monday strong after a 45% drop to $220. Trump's softer tariff vibe could ease supply chain fears. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas says Tesla's China exposure makes it a tariff wildcard, but this pivots a lifeline. The S&P 500 snapped a 4-week losing streak Friday, and today's 1.2% jump builds on that. SPY's year high was 613.23 in February, and we're still 6.5% off that. The VIX Fear Index is easing from 19.2, and only 60% of S&P stocks are above their 50-day moving average. Per Deutsche Bank, this rally's got room to run if Trump keeps the chill going. But it's not all smooth sailing. The Fed's still in the mix, holding rates at 4.2545 last week, with 2 cuts eyed for 2025. Goldman Sachs warns tariffs could still ding GDP by 1% if they hit hard, and the 10-year Treasury's at 4.27%. Gold steady at $3,010, up 0.8. Some investors aren't sold yet. Tech's mixed. The Magnificent Seven are lagging this year, but Tesla and Nvidia are catching bids today. Trump's team says USTR talks with China next week could seal this softer stance. Clarity's the key, and markets are hooked on every word. What's the move today? SPY's at 572.733, and this tariff thaw could push it past 580 if the momentum holds. Watch Tesla at open and Trump's next soundbite. Are you riding this wave or waiting it out? Drop your play in the comments. I'm all ears. Like this if it's keeping you sharp. Subscribe to Stock Informer and hit the bell for daily breakdowns. See you tomorrow. Stay ahead, stay informed.